Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zinc oxide cream. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and a mask to prevent inhalation of fine zinc oxide powder. It's crucial to use non-nano zinc oxide, as its larger particles are less likely to be absorbed into the skin. Before you begin, ensure all your ingredients and tools are clean and ready for use. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe crafting experience. To create your cream, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with a ratio of 1 part zinc oxide powder to 2 parts of your chosen carrier oil. Popular choices for carrier oils include nourishing coconut oil, moisturizing shea butter, or gentle olive oil. For a thicker, more protective cream, consider adding a small amount of beeswax, perhaps 1/4 of the total oil volume, to achieve your desired consistency. Now, let's mix everything together. If using solid oils or beeswax, gently melt them in a double boiler over low heat until liquid. Once melted, slowly add the zinc oxide powder to the warm oil mixture. Whisk continuously and thoroughly to ensure the powder is completely incorporated. Aim for a smooth, lump-free consistency, which indicates a well-blended and effective cream. Once your cream is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its efficacy. Transfer the finished product into a clean, airtight container and store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. To use, apply a thin, even layer to clean, dry skin. This homemade zinc oxide cream can provide effective protection and typically remains fresh for up to 6 months when stored correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.